Good morning, class 1. As today we are going to start our new chapter, chapter 3. Now, as we have completed chapter 1, so all of you keep revising that chapter. Now, our chapter 3 is computer and its parts. Today we are going to start with this chapter. So, beta, in this chapter we have four main parts: monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU. So today we will learn about the main parts of computer. So beta, our body is made up of different parts and each part has a special functions. Now in the same way, computer is made up of different parts. So all these parts together make a computer work. Now a computer has several parts, but the four main parts of the computer are CPU, monitor, keyboard, mouse. These are the main parts of computer, without which computer cannot work. So we need these four parts to work on computer. These are the main parts or necessary parts of the computer. So number one main part of the computer is monitor. Now what is monitor? Monitor is a main part of computer which look like a TV screen. Now it shows whatever we type, whatever we give input to the computer, it shows us on a screen. We also see pictures or movies on it. Now this monitor is connected to the CPU. CPU tells the monitor what to display. So it is a visual display unit which shows us the output which we give as an input. Whatever input we give, so monitor gives us the output. So it is like a TV screen. Now beta, next one main part is keyboard. A keyboard has several small buttons called keys. So here are so many buttons on the keyboard which are called keys. These keys are used for typing letters, words, numbers and special symbols. So a standard keyboard has 104 keys. So how many keys on the keyboard are? 104. Nowadays, a wireless keyboard is also available. So, we can work without a wire on a keyboard. So, there are so many wireless keyboard are also available. So, keyboard is a input device which helps us to enter numbers, letters and special symbols. So, this is the second main part of the computer, without which computer cannot work. Now beta, next one is mouse. A mouse is a pointing device which helps us to select and point a thing on a monitor. Now mouse helps us to point on things or select any item. It has a small body and a long tail wire. Nowadays a wireless mouse is also available. It has two buttons and a scroller. So there are two buttons on the mouse, and right button and left button, and in middle there is a scroller. So mouse is a pointing device which helps us to select the things, select the item on the monitor. So here a small arrow, when we move the mouse, as small arrow also moves with that mouse. Now last one main part of the computer is CPU. CPU is Central Processing Unit. Now it is also known as the brain of computer. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. It is a small chip. It controls all the parts of the computer just like our brain controls our body parts. Alright. So this CPU helps us to give the information, help the computer to change the information in letters, words and symbols. So keyboard, mouse, they send the information to the CPU, and CPU transfer the information to the monitor, and it shows the output on a monitor. So whatever we type from keyboard, so we can see that on a monitor. So CPU is the brain. As our brain works and controls our body, so like that CPU control all the working and all the functions of the computer. Now beta, your homework is all of you do this. Draw these main parts of the computer in the copy and write their names. All of you read the chapter 1, chapter 3 of your book.